Hi, this is Andrea from Happily Ticked Off, and I'm introducing you once again to Martina Eberhard, who is Stink's acupuncturist, who has been going to her now for almost 2 months. The vocals are gone. The head shakes are, I would call mild now, based on his supplements being increased. She's been more than patient in working with us, so now I'm asking her to discuss in 2 minutes or less, what is acupuncture, Martina? Please explain that to us.
Well, the purpose of acupuncture is to restore energetic balance within the body. And in a previous video, I talked a little bit about what vital energy is in the body, and that we call it chi. And chi runs through the body through these series of pathways, or what we call meridians, through the body. And they are channels of this energy. And there are points where it rises to the surface of the body where it's accessible. And at these specific points, these points have a history of creating a certain effect in the body, and those we call acupuncture points. And those are accessed through inserting very fine, filiform, sterile needles, one-time use, especially in the state of California, I have to clarify that. And they stimulate these points, and a collection of them in particular patterns are used to create the desired result. So let's say in Stink's case, the result, one of the results that we want to do is what in acupuncture we call quelling the wind. Now, some of the tics are, in our opinion, in our theory, created by an internal system of wind, and I'll go into that and what that looks like, and I actually have a visual for you so that you'll understand. Internal wind oftentimes causes muscle tics, tremors, convulsions, those types of things, as well as fever and headaches and those kind of symptoms. So the object of using particular points in the body to quell that is to decrease the heat that causes the internal wind, and therefore reducing the symptom. Now, granted, what I'll always tell my patients is that I'm not only treating the symptom, but I'm also treating the root. So I treat the branch and the root at the same time. And it's a little bit walking on the fine line between the two, which requires more inquiry and so forth to find out what possibly has caused this internal heat and subsequent wind. But that's an example of that.
I would love to talk to you in a subsequent video about how the wind works, specifically with Tourette's syndrome, and how you working with Stink 3 days a week and eventually going down to 2, and with the supplements, why it works, and how, though it's not a quick fix, does show promise. Would you like to come back to our fabulous site, Twitch and Bitch, and talk to our wonderful mamas?
I would, thank you very much, and we'll clarify a lot of things.
Thank you, Martina. Goodbye.